Hi there. आसा खालामो नोंसोर बयबो मोजाङैनो दङ। एग्जामनि थाखाय रेडि जाबायथ'? दिनैनि टपिकआनो जादों फेक्टर थियरेम। फेक्टर थियरेमखौ सोलोंनो थाखाय रिमाइन्डार थियरेमखौबो रोंनांगौ। रिमाइन्डार थियरेमखौ सोलोङाखैबा आगोलाव मोनसे भिडिअ दं, बेखौ नायनानै बावफैदो, नङाबा बुजिनाया एसे गोब्राब जागोन। सेक्सन 2.5 नैबेनो 2.5 बां बिदाफोरनि सानजोबगिरि दिहुननाय Factorization of Polynomials. फेक्टराइजेशनखौ जों रोंखागौ, नर्माल अनजिमाफोरनिखौ इजि, दा बा जोङो पलिनोमियल्सनिखौसो खालामगोन। अके, we'll do step by step. फार्स्टआवनो दङ जोंहा नै सानजाबगिरि थार बिबुंथि फेक्टर थियरेम। जुदि px a degree n greater than equal to 1 माने polynomial px नि डिग्रीया greater than equal to 1 0 जानो मोना, greater than equal to 1 जानांगौ नि मोनसे बां बिदाब आरो a आ जायखिजाया नंगुबै अनजिमा अब्ला x minus a आ px नि मोनसे सानजाबगिरि जुदि p bracket a equal to 0 आरो pa equal to 0 जुदि x minus a आ px नि मोनसे सानजाबगिरि। Alright, गुदु-गुदा बुंथारदों आं। Okay, let me do it in a different way. Okay, alright, if px a मोनसे polynomial जायोबा होनदों, if it is a polynomial, px is a polynomial, then x minus a मोनसे factor जायोबा, be actually linear, right? Remember, this is a linear polynomial, degree 1. Nebo degree e should be greater than equal to 1. Umpamanya PA, we are trying to find out a remainder. V is again 0, remainder is 0 is again. Okay. P is a polynomial. When you x minus a is a factor of polynomial px, hambla PA equal to 0 is again. This is basically a remainder theorem. What is remainder theorem? px मोनसे polynomial जायोबा बेनिफ्राय x minus a जों px को divide खालामबा मा मोनगोन? जों मोनसे रानगासै मोनगोन, बेनिफ्राय आद्रा मोनगोन ना? Now remainder theorem मोनो px को जोङो x minus a जों रानोब्ला बेनि आद्रा रिमाइन्डार दा नै बेनो जागोन रिमाइन्डार। बे जाबाय रिमाइन्डार थियरेम। रिमेम्बार, बेखौनो रिमाइन्डार थियरेम। होमबा बावनायदो, नैबे रिमाइन्डार थियरेम, नैबे फेक्टर थियरेम, मोननैबो एखेयानो। रिमाइन्डार थियरेमाव it finds out the remainder. Factor theorem मा होनो? Remainder should be 0. So factor theorem मा factor theorem are basically a special case of remainder theorem. Okay, it is just a special case of remainder theorem. जेराव remainder should be 0. Remainder should be 0. Remainder 0 जाबानो जों बुंगोन it's a factor. Okay, if remainder is 0, नैबे divider it becomes a factor. बेनो रिमाइन्डार थियरेम। बे थियरेमखौ लानानै जोङो फेक्टराइजेशन खालामगोन, फेक्टरफोरखौ दिहुनगोन। Alright, remember this. Remainder should be 0, then it becomes a factor. Okay, then बेखौनो होनो factor theorem. Okay, let me give some example. Let's say px x square plus x unit factor को मारै दिहुनो जोङो नायदो x को common लायोबा मा जायो x plus 1 right okay so there are two factors factor 1 आ जाहैबाय this x नैबे जाहैबाय second factor okay होमबा प्रुफ खालामदो रिमाइंडार थियरम जों नायबावफिननायसै जों होनदों x plus 1 equal to 0 okay so what is x x equal to minus 1 okay minus बेयाव substitute खालामनायसै नै minus 1 को p minus 1 equal to नैबे ना minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 so this is what 1 again this is minus 1 so 1 minus 1 equal to 0 ओंखायनो x plus 1 आ मोनसे factor x आखौबो जागोन x equal to 0 0 0 0 so x आबो 0 ओंखायनो factor theorem of remainder को नागिरो if remainder is 0 then becomes a factor okay दिनै जोङो factorization को खालामगोन means we will try to find out a factor okay expression निफ्राय factor को दिहुनगोन okay आं मोनसे example होनि okay let's say हमनानै लादो px आ मोनसे polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6 then if any factors फोरखौ दिहुननांगौ okay now remember this identity x minus a into x minus b equal to remember na x square minus a plus b x plus ab nungaba x plus a x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab recollect these two identities and we are interested in this component okay now boundary deni if you compare this 2 with this mabidini ekena x square 5x nebe ab 5 jagan x adongo then plus 6 ab we are interested in this is the first step nebe plus 6 first step factorization column first step is become naigri component this is a constant component we have term we have x here na without variable maybe ab so this we can write like ab equal to we have seen plus 6 when is our first step number one step numbers two step is by what are the factors of 6 6 ni factor from mama find out the factors 1 6 ये मोनसे combination जानो हायो ना 1 को if you multiply 1 with 6 you get 6 correct बेनिफ्राय मा दंबावो 2 into 3 बो जानो हागौ ना okay बेबो multiply खालामबाबो 6 मोनो ना बेनिफ्राय मा दंबावो गैला okay so बे मोननै combination okay बे मोननै combination लानानैनो जोङो बेनि factorization खालामगोन now remember this 2 square many degree of 2 degree of 2 type you get only two factors manini bara factor manade you'll get only two factor something like you'll get x minus a x minus b or could be anything x plus a x plus b or something like some combination x minus a x plus b or x plus b, x minus b, either of this. Okay, either of this will get. So let us see now. Okay, I'll erase this one. Let me erase this. I'll erase this one. Okay, all right, I'll erase this also. Now, remember theorem. Remainder theorem jing na get chita na ni be value ko na ni first set ko hogre 1 and 6 thang na thanga. P1 jing na agree. Substitute column the 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 6. Bisa muna. 1 minus 5 plus 6. 7 y minus 5 which is equal to 2. This is not equal to 0. Nangkaine x minus 1 factor jana haya. Okay. X minus 1 factor jana haya mani 6 awa jana haya. So this is rule out. Using sananga. Dana jinga manche do mai ni. Biko naide. P2 2 square minus 5 into 2 then plus 6, right? How much? 4 10 plus 6. So 4 plus 6 10 minus 10 equal to 0. So this is a factor. X minus 2 is a factor. This is a factor. Definitely 2 are factors are even with 3 are factors again 9. Okay, maybe kala makase factor gila na, no 3 definitely it will be a factor. Number test column 9. 3 equal to square 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. So 9, 15 plus 6 equal to 15 minus 15 equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 3 is again a factor. Kaine bini factor pramama jagan factors are by bitununga ni biningu x minus 2 binifray x minus 3. These are the factors. Because of the factor theorem then within factors called you know high. Alright, I hope you understood this. Px equal to x square minus x minus 2. Any factor. Factor ko dihun. Remember this. X minus a x minus b equal to x square minus a plus b x plus ab neighbor constant term neighbor. Okay, so ab equal to minus 2 many factor ko dihun kar ba factor mama jain banale 1 1 jaiba minus 2 janangan manana negative na gona ये म्हणजे set मग दुसऱ्याला दुसऱ्या जागेन -1 बाबी मा जागोन प्लास बेबायदि जागोन आरो बे मोनसे बेनिफ्राय बे मोनसे ओके बेबायदिल' जानांगोन combination of this -2 will be 1 plus 1 -2 बा सानजाबा मा मोनगोन -2 बेले -1 into +2 सानजाबा -2 ओंखायनो बे मोनसे combination नांगोन मा होमबासो बियो factor जानांगोन होमबा दानिया जों बेबायदिखौ मोनबाय नालाय substitute खालामनो रिमाइन्डार नागिरदो P first जोंहा 1 खौ लादो equal to 1 square minus 1 आनो 2 बेसेबां जाखो बेलाय 1 minus 3 this is minus 2 not equal to 0 होमबा x minus 1 आ factor नङा it's not a factor okay बे जाला होमबाथ' बे जाखाला okay बे combination जाया दाना नैबे combination नाय बेखौ नाय okay this is not going to work बेखौ बे जाया नालाय बे जाखाला बेखौ नायनाङा दाना नैखौ नाय okay होमबा p minus 1 होनना दोनदो equal to minus 1 निफ्राय मा जायो minus 1 square right minus बेनिफ्राय minus 1 x आ minus 1 minus 2 होमबा मा जाखो नायदो बेयो minus खौ square खालामबा plus जायो minus minus plus minus 2 so this is actually मा जाखो minus 2 minus 2 equal to 0 that means it's a factor so x minus this minus 1 is a factor so this is x plus 1 is a factor okay x plus 1 is factor so nebe combination होमबा जाखाथारो this is going to work मानोना मोननैल' दंखायोना you will get only 2 because here are degrees 2 so you get only 2 मोननैल' factor मोनगोन so 2 आबो definitely a factor नों नायनो हागोन p2 खालामबानो नाय p2 खालामबा मा मोनो square 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 2 so this is 4 no 1 से 2 नङा दे 1 minute this is not 2 into 2 this is 2 into 1 say 1 we want them na then minus 2 equal to 4 minus 2 minus 2 actually 4 minus 4 which is actually so 2 means x minus 2 means a factor okay so this is a factor this is a factor this is not a factor okay so when you factorize by x plus 1 bracket x minus 2 okay understood the factor theorem and even equation constant and this constant when is around we factor को different करे minus 20 factor huh? minus 2 factor को different बा जों बिदि combination मोनगोन 1 into minus 2 multiply खालामोब्ला जों minus 2 मोनो ओमफ्राय minus 1 into 2 खालामबाबो जोङो minus 2 मोनो ओंखायनो नैबे combination माबा नैबे combination खौ नायोबानो बेनि मोनसेयानो मोननैनि गेजेराव मोनसेयानो factor जागोन आरो ओंखायनो बिदि खालामनानै नाय okay alright I hope you understood factor theorem how to factorize a polynomial alright